Good morning, the Honorable Bapak Henry Taufan Saragi as an Examiner 1, the Honorable Ibu Banan Koritma Atha as an Examiner 2, and Bapak Hotman Edward Panggabean as my supervisor and my beloved friends. Let me start by telling you a bit about myself. My name is Dian Riama Gultom. I'm a student of 12 Science C. I'd like to present my invention project entitled Making Biofoam based on corn cobs and tapioca flour. The aim of my presentation is to talk about biofoam based on corn cobs and tapioca flour. We can break this presentation down into 5 sections. First section is about backgrounds, problem statements, and research purpose. Section 2, we talk about literature review, quality parameters, and sample testing method. And the section 3, we discuss about research method, place and date, tools and materials, and the procedures. And the fourth sections, we discuss about result and discussion. And the fifth sections, I would like to talk about conclusion and the suggestions. Alright, we begin by looking at the first sections, which is background. We have 4 backgrounds. First is around 270,000 to 590,000 tons of waste enters Indonesia seas. And the second is styrofoam waste dominates. The third is styrofoam is made from expanded polystyrene, benzene, and styrene. It takes 5 years to 1 million years to decompose. But sadly, it's only turned into the small materials, not really decompose. And the fourth is biofoam is an eco-friendly product with a sustainable development model. Next, we discuss about problem statements. We have 2 problem statements. First is, can biofoam be made from corn cob and tapioca flour? And the second is, what is the quality of biofoam made from corn cob and tapioca flour? And the research purposes, first is to find out whether biofoam can be made from corn cob and tapioca flour. And the second is to determine the quality of biofoam made from corn cobs and tapioca flour. Now let's move on to the second section, which is literature review. Biofoam is an environmentally friendly innovation with 8 fiber to strengthen the structure. It's from Bahari 2021. Corn cob is the part of the corn fruit where the corn kernels are attached. It's from Tangenjaya and Wina 2006. Tapioca flour is starch from cassava extract that has better stability. From Salsabila 2023. We have 3 sample testing methods. First is ASTMD 79208 method, and the second is ABNTNBRNM ISO 535 method, and the third is soil burial test method. The quality parameters. First is density test, second is water absorption test, second is biodegradation test, 4 is leakage test, and 5 is organoleptic test. Now let's move on to section 3, which is research method. The research method used is experiment, and the method used to mold biofoam dough is the extrusion method. For place is in Housing 1 Block F 503 GPM, and the date is July 2023 until September 2024. And this is the procedures.
Making biofoam based on corn cobs, Z-maize L, and tapioca flour. Manihot utilissima. Tools, oven, spoon, scales, universal indicator, blender, sieve, container. Materials, corn cobs, tapioca flour. Now 5, magnesium stearate, equates, water. How to make. Puree the corn cobs with blender. Strain corn cobs. Put in container. Add 100 milliliters now 5% to 400 milliliters water. Add it to corn cobs. Mix well. Put in container. Oven it about 1 hour with 100 C. Put in container. Add water. Wash until we get normal pH. Dry it with oven in 1 hour with 100 C. Weigh out the corn cobs in tapioca flour. Mix well. Add 1 gram magnesium stearate. Oven it around 30 minutes with 170 C. Do it until 4 times.
Thank you. Thank you.